عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وما أرسلنا من قبلك من رسول إلا نوحي إليه. Honorable the President and special guest and respected the teachers and my brothers and sisters. My topic in today's annual program are Quran and medical science. Dear audience, Allah sent many prophets in this from Adam, human being, to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and gave them books to show the right path of his flower. Allah said in Surah Al-Anbiya, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِن قَبْلِكَ مِن رَّسُولٍ إِلَّا نُوحِي إِلَيْهِ. And we did not send any messenger before you, but revealed to him books. For example, Suhuf Ibrahim, Zabur, Injil, and lastly Allah revealed the lovely Quran. He revealed this book to guidance. Enter mankind know all those things. Who are present in this all know any doubt or not any complaint in this book Allah. The Holy Quran is revealed out of Allah to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam for the all human being. But when we study deeply the Quran, then we can know that it is of divine origin. The Quran speaks about medicine, physiology, and embryology. Now we are going to open this book for those medical instruments. First of all, about medicine, the Quran speaks about medical science. It says in Surah Al-Nahl, "Fihi shifa'un lin-nas," wherein this link for mankind, you get honey from the belly of the bee. In the